Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teguna Classic. Let's talk about the current mega burning of Teguna Classic, because in the past 24 hours, Luna has been able to destroy about 178.4 million coins of Teguna Classic within the past 24 hours. 178.4 million coins has been destroyed in just one day. Though we have been burning more than this. Even as of last month, Teguna Classic have been burning more than this. Now with this current stage of Teguna Classic, it means between about 5 billion to 6 billion coins of Teguna Classic can be destroyed within 1 month. But remember, whenever you see Binance comes out to announce they are burning for a particular month, just like this month, Binance burned 2.6 billion, and last month they burned about 1.6, about 1.4. But the truth is that is coming from Binance alone. This is not the total sum of Teguna Classic total burn for that month. That burning is only for Binance. By the time you add other burning of Teguna Classic by other exchanges and bond portals, Teguna Classic most time in just 1 month normally burn over 5 to 6 billion coins of Teguna Classic LUNC. But with all this, Binance are the highest burner of Teguna Classic. Okay, as of last year, towards the end of last year, Teguna Classic was also burning more coins. Now, when the 1.2% tax ban was introduced newly, the first 2-3 months, Luna was able to destroy sometimes over 14 billion coins, because I remember Binance was once burned about 8 billion coins of Teguna Classic. Now, the way forward on Teguna Classic burning more coins is what we really want to know. Now, for me, the only way forward Teguna Classic to burn more coin is maybe they need to increase the tax ban from 1.2 to 1.5 or 2%, although some other coins are burning 2.5%. I still wish if Teguna Classic can increase their burning rate, their tax rate to from 1.2% to 2.5%. With 2.5%, Binance can be able to destroy over 5 to 6 billion coins in just 1 month, or even 10 billion coins. And the Teguna Classic total burn might now increase to about 15 to 20 billion coins per month, which I believe in the next 1 year we should be burning about 240 to 300 billion coins from the tax burn alone. And I also believe Teguna Classic generally can burn up to 400 billion coins in 1 year. Now, it will take Teguna Classic about 10 years to destroy about 4 trillion coins of Teguna Classic. Well, to me, 7 years time, 8 years time, if Teguna Classic will keep on increasing gradually as the burning is increasing, as they continue to burn and Teguna Classic price continue to increase, this is what we want to see. Of course, we are ready to wait. So far, our investment on Teguna Classic is increasing. For far, what we have been buying Teguna Classic, whatever coin you have storing, the money is increasing every day. Of course, people are ready to wait. People are ready to keep on supporting Teguna Classic coin. Well, let's keep up for the best, and let's hope to see Teguna Classic burn more coin and start burning over 500 million coins in a day. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, share the video, drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.